So just got a package today. Let's see what we got. What do you think it is, buddy?
Oh, it's done and it's fire.
Oh. All right, can you help me?
Ow! It
Careful.
caught me. Oh, it caught me.
Go ahead. So I bought my son SCX24 deadbolt, and we've been having so much fun with it with our little micro course that we got out there that I decided to get one for myself. Except
Is that mine?
I got the Jeep Wrangler. No, this one's mine. Yours is the green one. So I got one for Dad, so he can use one while you're playing. And we can play with them together. What do you think?
Daddy,
How's that sound?
you want mine and I want yours?
No,
Why?
because I got this one for me. So get your dirty paws off my truck. Just kidding, you can use it. You got food all over your face. I ain't gonna look. I'm gonna look for my video.
Yay.
Jeez.
Oh,
SCX24 by Axial Racing.
these batteries. It's batteries.
Manual and whatnot. Batteries, spare parts.
Battery jump.
Transmitter that it comes with. In case you're not familiar with the SCX24 system, you're gonna tweak the speeds, low, medium, high. That's dual rate control, and steering trim, no throttle trim. That's fine. And lastly, this piece of junk charger. I don't use it. I upgraded to something a little bit better from Spectrum. It's like a $30 charger. I forget what it's called, but anyways, I don't use this thing.
It's close enough.
What do you think about it? You like it?
Yes.
All right. If you made it to the end, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope it helped some of you decide on maybe picking one of these up. We're definitely fans of the SCX24s from Axial. Like I said in the beginning, this is our second, and it's pretty capable right out of the box. I definitely put some upgrades on it just because I like to upgrade my rigs. But I'll probably do a separate video on that. to go over some of those. But yeah, hope you guys check out some other stuff. Thanks.